Idiot! Give me a real project, not just the bug fixes.
What about, some documentation in Confluence?
And you work on our food delivery app in the meantime. No way.
Calm down, Java. I am still your manager.
And I am still your best developer, Hack. So give me a chance to prove it.
Java, what's wrong with you?
I just can't take it anymore.
What do you mean?
Well, Hacktor is doing the cool stuff, and I am fixing bugs. I have no space to grow. That's so frustrating.
Listen, you have to change your approach. You can feel like you are losing it, but please don't act like that. If you lose your temper, then it doesn't improve the situation at all.
Losing my temper? I prefer the term midlife crisis.
Whatever. Hold your horses and approach things from another direction. In the end, you want to reach your long-term goals and those of the company. You don't need to attack every single time. Pick your battles. Create alliances. Find other ways. Be more subtle.
Have to find my way to the toilet now. Thanks, Mr. Agile.
What a madhouse. I do my best, so other people become truly great. But they only become truly impolite. I should quit my job and do gardening with my wife. Hey, never give up. Isn't it what I always tell? Never give up. I should try harder.
Do you have a minute?
Go ahead. Make my day.
Bulli, I will be honest with you. Business is going bad. We are losing money.
Damn it. That's not what I wanted to hear. How much?
Several millions. We are running out of cash as we speak. We can survive for 3 months.
And you didn't tell me earlier?
I am telling you now. We need to launch the new food delivery app faster. It's our last chance.
Beat the hell out of my people. No more breaks. No more sleep. Can we survive longer if we lay off people?
Well, this should be the last tactical move. But I estimate this extends our survival to 6 months.
6 months. Sounds good to me. Decided. Listen up. Bulli got some bad news for you. The Moonshot Factory is not performing well. I will lay off 2 of you tomorrow. The first person is Java, because she causes trouble. Always. And the second person is Mr. Agile. You don't produce any value. Come to my office tomorrow, and we'll do the paperwork. And Hacktor, you release the food delivery app tomorrow. I don't pay you for drinking coffee.
I am not freaking out. I am not freaking out.
Goodbye, Java. You got what you deserved.
You know how to treat a lady? My compliments. I have to find another way. I could ask Command Z for help as he is close to Bulli. And go there with Mr. Agile? Listen, Command Z. You know it's unfair that Bulli kicks us out.
Please. You have to talk to Bully.
I thought you wanted to do gardening with your wife.
I can bring in my secret project, which I created in my spare time.
Secret project. Why don't I know about it?
Because it is secret? I'll tell you if you help us to stay.
I hate new things.
We have a bad performance and we need something new. Full stop.
Okay. I will chat with Bully.
Thanks.
Thank you.
We need to talk.
Again.
Bully. You made a mistake.